Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the customer application on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now, since there is no official application for the customer website, you will need to install the web browser version. So open up your web browser first, and then in the address bar type in customer.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official customer website where you can click on Request Demo to start signing up if you don't already have an account. Now, you can also log into your account if you want to do so by clicking on the login button at the top right corner and then by using your organization name and your password. After you have logged in, you will be taken into your dashboard, and once you are in your dashboard, from that page, simply click on the three dots at the top right corner and hover over to Save and Share. You can then click on Create Shortcut, and this will start to install the shortcut application for the customer web version. Simply type in your desired application name and then make sure that Open as window is checked. Then click on the Create button, and this will now open up the customer website in its own web application. You will also be asked whether you want to pin this to your taskbar. And after this, you will also notice that the Kustomer AI website shortcut application has appeared on your desktop. You can simply double click on this to directly open up the Kustomer AI page. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the customer application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.